All right, so here we have square root of 5 times square root of 3 plus square root of 7. So all I need to do is distribute the square root of 5. Square root of 5 times the square root of 3 is square root of 15. Square root of 5 times square root of 7 is the square root of 35. I can't simplify it any further. I can't add them together because they're not the same square roots. So we get 15 square roots of 35, which is choice A. The second one here, we need to FOIL. Square root of 8 times square root of 8, square root of 64. Square root of 8 times negative 5 square roots of 8. 5 times square root of 8, positive 5 square roots of 8. And 5 times negative 5, negative 25. I have a negative and a positive there. They cancel each other out. Square root of 64 is 8. So all I'm left with is 8 minus 25, which is a negative 17. Okay, number 3, we have square root of 2 over the square root of 3. Okay, we can't have a square root on the bottom of a fraction, so what I need to do is multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 3. Whatever the square root is, that's what you multiply. So when we multiply fractions, we multiply across. Square root of 2 times square root of 3 is square root of 6. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 9. Square root of 6 I can't simplify, but the square root of 9 we know is 3. So we get square root of 6 over 3, which is A. And my last one here, we have 2 over the square root of 5 minus 6. So what I need to do is get rid of that square root. So I need to multiply by the conjugate, which is the square root of 5 plus 6. So it's always the opposite sign. And then multiply accordingly. 2 times the square root of 5 is 2 square roots of 5. 2 times 6 is 12. On the bottom, square root of 5 times square root of 5, square root of 25. Square root of 5 times positive 6, positive 6 square roots of 5. Negative 6 times square root of 5, negative 6 square roots of 5. And negative 6 times positive 6, negative 36. Okay, so on top I can't simplify. So I still have 2 square roots of 5 plus 12 all over on the bottom. My middles cancel. Square root of 25 is 5. So really I have 5 minus 36, which is a negative 31. So we get 2 square roots of 5 plus 2 over negative 31, which is choice B.